If you're watching this, you're probably one of the first few hundred people trying ArnoAI. And that tells me something about you. You deal with serious work. You're buried in documents, and you've tried tools that promise to help, and, well, mostly didn't. Trying something new takes courage, especially when your time matters a lot. So first of all, thank you for being here. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how ArnoAI takes a messy folder of files and turns it into a structured case workspace automatically. You'll see how you can ask precise questions across those documents and get accurate answers with citations and jump straight to the exact page where they came from. In fact, we even highlight the line where we got the answer from. And finally, how drafting stops being manual. Because once you upload a template, Arno automatically fills it for you. Give me 5 minutes. And if you have done our job right, ArnoAI will give you back hours every single week. Let me show you. So if you go to the landing page here at arnoai.com, you'll be able to log in. I've done that to save time. And let's go to the case drive. So here, basically what you do is you can upload as much context as you want. Right, so I'm going to create a new folder. Let's say I am working with a company called ArnoAI. Surprising, right? Let's quickly go and upload some new files here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload these files, right? So there's two CVs here. There's one totally unrelated document, and then there's one that is talking about ArnoAI. So this will kind of show you as well that how we organize all of the files for you, and also that, we don't cite any irrelevant things just to sort of use the things that you have uploaded. So we give you really grounded answers. So our focus really while building the platform was we wanted to ground everything in truth, right? We wanted to give you the right answer every single time based on the factual information. So it has quickly sorted all of this out. We do this because a lot of lawyers have told us that when a client comes to them, they often dump a lot of documents with the lawyer, and it takes a lot of time for you to sort through all those documents. So we just wanted to make it easy for you. So we relabel them. So you always have the old names as well at the bottom here, but we kind of give them new names. We give you summaries, so you have you can quickly go through them. And now let us quickly look at this magic. Okay, I'm going to open it as a context tab, and I'm going to ask it some questions. So what is ArnoAI all about? Right, so this is like a simple question, but I'm going to show you something that it does, which is beautiful. So as you can see here, it's quite fast. And if you click on it here, what you'll see is highlighted answers in the PDF itself, right? You can see where all of this information comes from. And isn't that beautiful? Isn't that what you want? Isn't that what you want your AIs to do for you? Go through the PDFs and highlight exactly the line where it is getting the answer from. Now let us ask it a bit more of a complex question. When will ArnoAI turn EBITDA positive? Oh, sorry, I misspelled it. EBITDA positive, right? So this is kind of a complex question for any AI because I'll show you why. Let's quickly see here. So as you'll see, it's in actually a tabular format. So it has to kind of go through all of this and figure out, okay, what year and stuff like that. So it can also handle a little bit more of a complex query. And it doesn't give you any sort of junk. It gives you exactly what you ask it for, and it tells you exactly where it got it from. So right, you don't see anything else highlighted because it's not relevant. And we already have these sort of things which are relevant highlighted in the text. And isn't that brilliant? Now let's look at case drive. I love this highlighting, by the way. It is fantastic, and it took a lot of effort for us to do. So what I'm going to do now is show you drafting, and drafting is even more fun, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload a file, and it's like a template for getting the summary of a company you're working with. So let us just quickly give it a second to process the document here. And this is all real time. I'm not speeding all of this footage up or anything like that. I'm just showing you how fast it is right now. Obviously, as the time goes on, we will make our services faster, but we feel like it's pretty good right now. So it gives you again a summary of what this is, and then let's do generate. Now you can select a folder to use as context for this particular template, right? So let's say you're doing this for 1,000 companies. You can just have a lot of folders here and just select them, right? Easily done. Let's confirm that. And now give it a second. It's a big document. I think it's like 8 pages or something. And what you'll see is we fill it up automatically for you. So as you can see on the left, we've been doing quite a lot of testing. There's a lot of work that goes into building something like this, and we've been talking to a lot of lawyers over the past few months as well, just to understand their requirements and build something that will actually be helpful for their work. So yeah, also this drafting, I'm going to show you some really cool things that we've implemented, where it is not like other platforms. We sort of keep working on giving you a behind the scenes look into how the AI works. So why is this colored blue, right? So what you'll see is the things that we fill in are colored in blue, and when we don't know something, we just don't fill it in, right? So again, we don't make things up, and we tell you exactly what we have filled in. So this is sort of like the template, what the template had. These were all, the white text is coming directly from the template, and the blue things are what we added in ourselves based on the information that we have, right? And it can do a lot of this, right? You can see it's a big document to fill in, and you can also export it, and it will come to your computer as a file directly, right? So what you'll see there is we can export it as a Word file for you as well, which is quite interesting, right? You can sort of have a PDF, we'll fill it in, we'll tell you exactly what we fill in, and then we can export it as a Word file, and you're ready to go. There's a lot of amazing features that ArnoAI has, but let us know if you want to like explore it or do a demo with us, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy ArnoAI.